folks, it's Neil, and I am back with this is a 2-pack I got of USB-C extenders. Like, if you know, like I have this USB-C wire, this one here is actually okay long, and I have my little travel adapter here. I'm charging my battery pack. But you know, like sometimes you go to a hotel or something and you just can't find a plug that's close enough, an outlet close enough to be able to charge your stuff. This will give you the opportunity to go longer without having to have a whole regular like 110 extension cord or something like that, or if you travel internationally, then you have to worry about that. But here, we just have to worry about from the little nugget, the adapter to the device. But if I have to go longer, this one here, what this is I think it was a 3-foot, got a 3-foot, because I didn't feel like I needed to go too much further than that. And it's just an adapter that goes male to female. So we're gonna give this thing a try, and I'll plug it in here. I'm currently charging my battery pack, but I'll put this in between. So now, instead of going just a normal 3 feet, I am going 6 feet. And let's see, and it works. So there we go. So now I can keep this far away. Put this back here on the table and be charging this over here. So I like it. So it came with 2 of them. It came with, I got 2 different colors. I don't know, is it red and gray maybe? I'm colorblind, so I'm not exactly sure, but it seems to work for me. I'll put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.